Welcome back. In this video we are going to learn another one of the important command of Unix, and through that also we will solve some HackerRank challenges of that command. The command that we are going to learn is tr command. The tr command means translate, and this tr command translate character by character. The syntax will look like this. Set1, set2. So set1 is replaced by set2, and one more thing you need to remember, it translates character by character. Now let's start. So to practice tr command, I have already created one file. File name is name.txt. Now you can see that ADHYAN Pandey and all the names are given in a small letter. So what I want to print those names in capital letter. For that, what I am going to do, I am going to write tr. After that, lower, names are in lower format. I want to convert those names in uppercase. So upper name dot text. Now you can see that all the names are in capital letter, and also I can save these details in a different output file. How I am going to do that? I will write name.txt, close, and here outside I am going to write output.txt. So whatever the data it will execute from the name.txt file, it will save in output.txt file. Let's open output.txt file. Now you can see that all the names are coming in capital letter. Now let's talk about hyphen and option section. The first one that we are going to talk about is tr-d. Hyphen d is used for delete character. For example, in cat name.txt, here you can see that all the names, after every field name there is some spaces given. So what if I wanted to delete that space? So that what I will do, I will write tr-d space name.txt. You can see that all the space are gone. So if you wanted to remove a from this one, so what you will do, we will just, instead of a space, we will write a. Now you can see that all the space from my name is gone. Now what if I wanted to remove the duplicate characters? So for duplicate character, I am going to use -s. Now you can see that there are no duplicate characters exist. When I am saying duplicate character, that means consecutively those names which are repeated is coming. So what I'm trying to say is, let's go inside first of all this text file name.txt. So what I'm trying to say is, duplicate name means multiple is there, multiple n is there, multiple consecutively p is there. Okay, so -s will help to remove the consecutively repeated character. For that I am going to use tr-s, and here I am going to use which word I wanted to remove. So for that what I will do, I am going to write a I don't want. So for that tr-s in the single quotes, after that name.txt. Now you can see that Aditya is coming as non-repeated, and rest Ranjan and Pandey are n is repeated and p is repeated. So if you wanted to remove Ranjan also, so that one also you can do. Pipe symbol will always execute from left to right, but in the left you can see that there is nothing given, then what it will execute. So for that what I will do, I will write here cat name.txt, and after that I will give the pipe symbol. Yeah, see, this is one way we can do, but you can see that this way is very much lengthy. I don't want to implement this one. So there is another way also. tr hyphen s, and what I want to remove all the values or consecutive values which coming between all a to z. See, all the characters, it will come inside here, and after that I am going to write here name less than name dot text. Now you can see that this is the easiest way, and it is always recommendable. Okay, now if I wanted to the line change after every space, that also I can do. Tr, after that space, the second set1 set2, you have seen set1 which character you wanted to replace with which one. So I want space with line change, name dot text. Now you can see that. Now here you can see that names are coming in a duplicate way. So what I will do, first of all I will clear the screen, and after clearing the screen, tr hyphen s, and here I am going to write something like name dot text. From name dot text it will work. Okay, now open name dot text. I think all the duplicates are gone. Nope, the name dot text only became empty. So let's go inside here, and here I am going to write all the names again is in small letter. Now let's clear the screen. Again I will try this line change. So hyphen s space this replaced with line change. Now you can see that in every space line was changed. Okay, so I told you that this translate tr command will replace character by character. Let's understand it much more depth way. What I want is, I want to replace a with r and d with o, remove the space, okay, o, and after that I with h, let's say. Now you can see that the names are replaced by character, and A is replaced by R, D is replaced by O, I is replaced by H. Or I can write like this. A to D replace with W to Z. Let's see, this will work. Yeah, that is also work. Now let's use complement. Tr complement A Z. Hyphen C indicates complement. Let's see what hyphen C will do. Now you can see that complement means it will replace everything except the name that you have written here. It even replaces spaces also. That you can see that space also is replaced with Z, except A is not replaced. Now instead of A, don't replace A, D, I, and except that replace everything. Except A, D, I replaced with everything. Now what if A, D, I, after that A, D, I, T, Y. Now you can see that how it goes on. It replaces complement, replaces everything except the given character. So we understood up to that much about translate command. Now we will try to solve HackerRank Linux cell translate command programming challenges. Okay, so let's go there. So this is the first problem, and in this first problem it is asking as In this challenge, we practice using tr command because it is a useful translation tool in Linux. In a given fragment text, replace all parentheses with box character. So we already have seen how it is going to work. Tr, okay, box character with, so this is a Linux shell, so we don't have to give any file name. It will automatically console that this command is correct or not. So let's run and see. Okay, sample test case successful. Now submit the code. Both the test cases got successful. So the code that we have written, it is completely correct. Now let's go to the second command. Let's go to the next programming challenge. Okay, in this programming challenge, it is saying that in this challenge we practice using the tr command because it is useful translation tool in Linux. In a given fragment of text, delete all the lowercase character. So I have to delete all the lowercase character A to Z. So to delete, we know the command is -d. So tr -d, delete all the lowercase character. So A to Z. I think, yeah, I have to provide single quote here. I think this is the perfect command and this is going to work fine. Let's test. Sample test case successful. Now let's submit the code. Okay, all the test cases got successful. So this programming challenge also got solved. Now let's see about the third programming challenge. So in this programming challenge, it is asking us, in a given fragment of text, replace all sequences of multiple spaces with just one space. So we already talked, if I given consecutives, if any data we have to replace to one, for that which command is there? For that hyphen command is there. So what we -s command is there. So what we will do, we are going to write tr -s to replace with s space only, -s space with space. Submit the code. Test case got successful. Now let's submit the code. All the test cases got successful. So we solved all the programming challenges of Unix, and this is also end of the video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the regularly updates. And in the next video, again, we are going to solve some more important programming challenges of HackerRank. So stay tuned and keep watching ADHYAN channel. Thank you.